Hey, what's happening, baby?
Hi, Ren.
What you doing?
Wait for you to call.
That's what's happening. You wanna take a ride with me?
Sure. If I take a ride, what it's gonna be?
All love, baby.
For sure. Give me a minute so I can put something sexy on for you, Ren.
Alright, that's good.
Lady.
Hey.
Friendly lover,
come take a ride with me. Take a ride with me. Anyone think? Come take a ride with me. Take a ride with me. Take a ride with me. Anyone think? Come take a ride with me, so I can talk you into ecstasy. As I tell you, affectionate thing to sweep you off your feet. And don't worry about the heat, because all day until the night falls, we rockin' nothing but that AC. So lay your head on the headrest, so I can ask you questions to see if you're gonna pass my test. Cause in my life, I need a real lady. Now why them hoes who say she's gonna sex me just because that nigga pays me? Yeah, I'm a thug, but to a lady I don't raise my hand, because in the back of my mind I know that I'm all made. So take a ride with me, take a ride with me, take a ride and it would be
friendly lover.
Come take a ride with me, take a ride with me, and it would be
friendly lover.
Take a ride with me, take a ride with me, and it would be
friendly lover.
Come take a ride with me, take a ride with me, and it would be come take a ride with me, take a ride with me, take a ride with me, and it would be. Now if we both feel the day is going fine, I pull out the champagne glasses so we can sip on Rianite wine. Find a quiet place to park, recline your seat. Pull off your shoes and socks, let me massage your feet. Feeling romantic, take a walk through the park. After dark, I hold your hand, you be my lady, I'll be your man. Nothing will change if you don't disrespect the game. And in the morning, we will have no one to blame. So come and take a ride with me, and you will see we can get closer to each other, and it would be you can be my baby, and I can be your G. And a friendly love affair, it's all that it would be. Come take a ride with me.
Ride with me, ride with me. You will see exactly how good it can be. Oh, babe, oh, babe. All I want you to do is ride. Friendly lover.
Come take a ride with me. Take a ride with me. And it would be
friendly lover.
Take a ride with me. Take a ride with me. And it would be
friendly lover.
come take a ride with me. Take a ride with me. And it would be come take a ride with me. Take a ride with me. Take a ride with me. And it would be it's getting late here, stomach ride. We going to the kettle. Buy you a full course meal, show you off in front of the fellas. Treat you like a trinket, don't you think it, cause that ain't right. Gotta be a lady in order for you to take a ride. Now you're yawning, it's almost morning, the fool got you tired. Stop at an open store, buy you a teddy bear every ride. Spray it with my cologne so you can think of me when you're all alone. But for this to happen, you gotta take a ride with me. And a friendly love affair is all that it would be, you see. So come and take a ride